Hey guys, time for a walk down to my jungle hut. Let's leave these puppies alone. I created the jungle hut because it gets very, very hot up here in the mountain. We're on the top of a mountain in a place called Kuntabuk, which is right in the central part of Bohol. We have 2.8 hectares of land up here, and it was a complete mess when we first got here in June last year. So we've had a lot of excavation, a lot of construction. It's been a very long but very enjoyable process. It's my little jungle hut. I'll show you the inside of it some other day. Great place to relax. Excellent place to relax. I have a few hammocks in there. We'll walk back up to the house and you'll see what we've created. We've done all the planting. This was basically an opening, a clear opening with just grass right in the middle of a mahogany forest. It was quite hilly, so we needed to get it excavated, so we had a flat spot for the house. As you can see, we have multiple retaining walls. It's our terrace. It's quite a good view. That's our daughter's room over there. Behind the trees over there is the CR, the toilet. And I will take you over to see our view that we see from the terrace. This is our little walkway that we take sometimes to get to the kitchen. That is our view. I'll extend my pole so you can see it. Mary did most of the planting of the colourful plants. It's very hot up here, so it's quite difficult for me to get out and do as much work as I used to when I was in New Zealand, because I do nothing but sweat. This is an area we've created. We're going to get all these coconut trees quite large. Once they're all established, I'm thinking of putting another hut in the middle of it, and that will be like a communal eating area. Our land extends far over there, but as yet we have nothing to do with it because we're focused on the area directly around our house. That is a shade house that we built to grow some vegetables. There's a lot of vegetables that are, well, we can't really get up here in the mountain. Nobody really sells them. For example, lettuce and tomatoes. They sell them, but you have to drive 45 minutes to purchase them. That's our outdoor kitchen. We don't need an indoor kitchen because it's always so hot up here. We can still cook in that when it's raining, which is good. This is some vegetable patches, coconut trees, banana trees. It's the back side of our house and kitchen. And we have a rather large water tank over there because we do not have running water yet, which they are hopefully sorting out soon. And yeah, the sun is not shining today, which is very good because it is extremely hot.